Here's how I make the easiest steak dinner that still looks gourmet and restaurant quality at home. I start out by laying out my ingredients: butter, salt, pepper, milk, the steaks, and potatoes. And then I chop the potatoes in half to make them cook quickly in the water. And then I drop the potatoes into the water, and salting the water so that the potatoes have flavor, and stirring them from time to time so that they cook quicker. And afterwards, I strain them, and I put 2 teaspoons of melted butter into the pan along with some milk to make it easier to mash. And then I mash it for about 2 minutes, so until it's becomes smooth. And then onto the steak. Next, these are the seasonings that I used. I used garlic, all-purpose seasoning, salt, and pepper simply. And then I sear the steaks for about 5 minutes per side. These are the frozen vegetables that I used as a side dish, and this is how it turned out. Let me know if you're gonna make this steak dinner at home. Let me know in the comment section what other vegetables that you like as a side dish to your steak.